Hello friends, so the topic for today is angles, and we'll start with the definition. An angle is a union of two non-collinear rays having same origin. Okay, so in the previous lectures we have discussed what is a ray. A ray has a fixed point which is called as the origin, and in any other particular direction it can move infinitely. So this ray is moving infinitely in this direction. To name it, we had mentioned that any point over here can be selected. We are selecting point B, so this is ray OB. Okay, so the angle has same origin and two rays. So we are having same origin with one ray as OB, and in any other direction we consider as ray OA. Okay, so this is the concept of angle. And the next topic which we are going to start is angles in terms of rotation. Okay, so consider these two cases. There can be starting from this ray and then movement towards this ray, or they can be starting from this ray and movement towards this ray, like this and like this. Okay, so we can say that this is the initial position and this is the terminal position. In this case, this will be the initial position and this will be the terminal position. So the amount of rotation of the ray from initial to terminal position is called measure of angle. Okay, so in this case this is my initial arm and this is my terminal arm. Okay, and the rotation is in clockwise direction. In this case, I have this as my initial arm and this as my terminal arm. Rotation is anti-clockwise. Okay, so this was the topic of angles in terms of rotation. By the way, in angle terminology, this point is also called as vertex of angle. Okay, and OA and OB are arms, or we can also say side of angle. Okay, OA and OB are the arms or the sides, and O is the vertex. Okay, and now next is how to represent. So basically an angle, suppose I consider this, okay, this is A, this is O, this is B. So how to write angle? We write it as this. This is the symbol, and AOB. AOB. So angle AOB. We can also write this as angle BOA. We should always note that angle AOB is equal to angle BOA. Okay, they mean the same. Okay, so next topic we will consider is positive and negative angles. Okay, so now if the rotation is in clockwise direction, like clockwise, then we call the angle to be negative. This is a convention used worldwide. Okay, and if the rotation is anti-clockwise, we call it to be positive. Okay, so clockwise rotation gives negative angles, anti-clockwise rotation gives positive angles. Okay, the next concept is one complete rotation. So what is the meaning of one complete rotation? We'll discuss here. See, if this is a ray, this is O, this is point A. Now this ray travels like this, anti-clockwise, covers the entire circular motion and rotates and comes back to the same position OA back. Then the complete rotation this way is 360 degree, and this is called one complete rotation. Okay, so if I rotate it the second time, it will be 360 into 2, that is 720 degree, and so on and so forth. If I do it repetitive times, it will be multiple of 360 degree. Okay, so this was the first lecture on angles, introductory lecture explaining some topics. In the next lecture we'll cover different types of angles. So guys, do subscribe to our channel and comment your views about our videos.